Today we're showing you a Kubota M4D-071 Deluxe tractor, the four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. Also has the LA 1154 quick attach front loader that goes with the unit as well. I believe this is a 2021 year model, but double check the listing on that. The tractor just came in earlier this morning. Has just over 20 hours on it. It's practically a brand new tractor. Has lots of options, lots of features, and it is again the M4D-071 Deluxe model with the loader. The loader is plumbed for a Grapple, so you can easily operate a Grapple with this unit. It's got the skid steer cell hookup for your bucket connections. You can see the bucket does not show any wear. Paint looks new in the tractor. One very small scuff up here, looks like a little stain on the hood. It's got the Radial tires on it, Goodyear Radial tires. Mirrors on the cab, doors on both sides of the cab, 3 sets of rear wheel weights, front and rear work lights on the cab. It's got dual remotes back here, has the telescopic 3-point arms. You can see it just looks like they've barely been used. Same with the drawbar, looks like it's been hooked, but that's about it. It's a super nice tractor. Got the Ultra Grand cab on it. Toolbox, and it does have the upgraded cab. It's got the buddy seat, full suspension seat here for the operator, tilt steering wheel, has a horn there in the center, reverser right up here in the column, has the 12-speed transmission, highway range over here, then it's got the third function buttons right here and the joystick for the loader, all your hydraulic controls, park brake, park gear, 3-point PTO controls all over there to the right. Up top you've got the radio, climate controls, and then also has the visibility roof that opens up here for stacking bales or anything to that nature. Super nice tractor. We do take trades. We also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. We stock approximately 120 to 150 used tractors. If you have questions regarding this M4 tractor or any other tractors on our yard, please feel free to contact us. You can visit us on the web at masttractor.com or feel free to give us a call.